just saw some pictures that the notice was received by the Office of the Vice President earlier today. The relevance of this process is that from today, the Vice President will have 10 calendar days within which to file her answer. Like I said po before, yung ginawa po natin sa Committee on Justice the past few days was only to determine the sufficiency in form and the sufficiency in substance of the impeachment complaints. So ang ibig sabihin po noon, we confined ourselves to the four corners of the complaint. Tinignan natin kung may allegations nga ba, may mga actuations, actions ba po yung Vice President na masasabi nating impeachable offenses. And because we declared both impeachment complaints as sufficient in substance, ito na nga po tayo sa next step, which is to issue the notice and for her to file her answer to the impeachment complaints. Wala pa po tayo sa stage na nagde-determine tayo ng guilt ng accused or nagde-decide tayo on the merits of the case.